Hi, I purchased two of these grid tie inverters. These are the 10 to 30 volts series. They're 300 watts. What I noticed is when I took out of the package, this one, it's got a rattling noise. Okay. The bad thing about it is that it don't have a cover on the bottom. It's solid. So I'm going to have to take this lid or this one off and take the screws out. These screws right here and these screws right here, and slide the board out so I can fix. I'm pretty sure the toroid is the one that's loose. Anyway, somebody asked me to see if I could post a video of the inside of this board. I have to take it apart, so I thought I'd make a video out of it. Well, it didn't seem it had a cover on the bottom. Come to find out, when I removed the screws on the side plates, the whole top off comes out. Pretty cool. I didn't think it was going to be like that. Never seen one like this. Anyway, there's a problem. Loose coil. This one right here, it's got a little plastic base with 4 pins right here. So this is the one for the other one right here. So I'm going to take this off, and then it's just 2 pins. It goes from one side to another one. Okay, here's one and here's the other one. I'm just going to remove the little base, glue it on, and solder it back on. Okay, I got the coil already in there. I put some hot glue here and some hot glue down here. That little base that they have is a little black base. It has epoxy to these, and it's soldered to the board. And this one, it got loose from the little base from shipping, and the wires broke. So that's why this one was loose. There you go, right there. This board is driven by these 4 MOSFETs. These 4 MOSFETs to the transformer. All of these on these sides, they're just diodes. These right here are diodes. They have 2 legs, and they run around across these coils. So if I would have turned it on without this coil, it probably would have worked, but not 100%. I don't think it would have blown. But anyway, you don't want parts loose inside the board at all. No parts loose in there. It'll make a short circuit, and that's the end of it. Probably catch on fire or something. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together. Okay, I got this thing together. This is the one that fell out. Put some hot glue right here. Okay. This one, this 300 watt inverter's got a 30 watt 30 amp fuse, and what I did see is something very cool. Is this little board right here. There's nothing hooked up to this board, just the power and the ground comes out. It's got a little buzzard, and it's got 2 diodes, so it's got a pretty good reverse polarization system. Just in case you hook it up backwards, I think this buzzer will turn on, and this will stop the inverted current to going to the board and messing it up. Anyway, I'm not going to test this with solar panels, because the panels I have right now finished are 40 volts, and this won't take it. I did hook up both of these. I hooked up both of these in series with that 40 volt panel. It worked for like 3 minutes, 2 minutes and a half, and then it shut off, and then it worked again and it shut off. I don't know why it kept on shutting off. Maybe the voltage went too down, it went too low or something, I don't know. But it didn't work right. I got a couple panels. I got some panels that are 20 volts. Once I finish those panels, I'll hook it up and see what the ratings are on on this little guy. Thank you for watching.